In this video, I will show how to change sheet name in MS Excel. So guys, if you need to rename a worksheet in your Microsoft Excel, so very easy and simple way, you have to right click on this bottom bar and click on rename. Now type your name here. And click anywhere. So new name will appear here. Just right click and click on rename. And once you right click, there are some more options. You can insert any worksheet if you have. Select it and click on OK. You can delete, you can rename, and you can move or copy. You can change in this tab color like green one or blue. Also, you can hide this worksheet. And once you need to unhide, so click here and select your worksheet. So this is the way, guys, you can work with worksheet in Excel. Thanks for watching.